have customers or clients that think they want gel products, and gel products, you know, it's like any tool in your toolbox. There's a use for every tool in your toolbox. It's not always the right tool, and not one tool fits all. But what we strive for is, especially in the firefighting world, is keep it simple and one tool fits most. Now, cold fire is not a gel, but if you use cold fire correctly, you don't need a gel, because you can actually put it off in the perimeter and out into the periphery and cool that fire down before it gets to the area, the structure you're trying to protect. Gels have their application. Gels are hard to clean up. So gels don't stay hydrated forever. You need to be there to rehydrate them on a regular basis if they're going to continue to protect. So there's some things with gels. There's some definite downsides with gels. But again, there's a use for every tool in the toolbox. We need to be making smart decisions, making sure that we're using those tools correctly. That's where cold fire comes in, because we can put it into perimeter sprinkler systems. Perimeter sprinkler systems, we have redundant activation systems, so you don't even have to be there.